the past videos, the meaning of voice and important to note, and the rules of complete description is given in the description box, and even the present forms of three simple present, and when the present continuous and the present perfect rules, and the form how we are going to change from active to passive voice, everything of the description is given in the description box. And even the simple past and the past continuous is also completed and given in the description box. Now let's go with the past perfect tense of here. The structure is mentioned here. Subject had plus V3 plus object, and object has come to subject place here, and had is followed, and been is followed in the past perfect, and V3 form by and subject. And this is a box of voice rules which are mentioned. An easy way here, just see add past participle and use by, and change of pronouns as applicable over here. How to change it is mentioned in the board. And here subject to object and object to subject and be forms. And this is a very simple way which we can remember in our mind. Now just see here, we can give one example of the past perfect tense. Then this is structure over here. This is the one example. I had sold my car. Very easy one. This is an active voice sentence. When we apply the rule, my car, okay, the same had will be used, had, and been to be applied in the perfect tense, and been sold by, and I changes into me. So see here, I had sold my car. When we change that into passive voice in a simple way, my car had been sold by me. Example, and see here, they had wasted all their money. Now let's go to this all their money. Had, just see in this sentence in the active voice, the same had is mentioned over here. So apply had as usual. Had and been with have to be used between had and wasted in the V3 form. Come put up the wasted over here. So see a V3 and V3, no need of changes. Wasted and by has to be followed, and by they changes to them. This tense is very easy when you change from active to passive voice, because had V3 and had been V3, only been have to be applied here. See this sentence, he had not fed the poor. This is an negative sentence. Negative sentence. So when you change this negative sentence into passive voice, so the same, the poor, apply the rule of this, and the poor, apply the same, had, the helping verb have to be used, and put the not as usual, had not, and apply been in the middle, had not been fed. Same V3 is in the active, can be used in the has to be placed in the passive voice. Fed by, he changes into him. Very simple, very easy also to change this sentence from active voice to passive voice in the past perfect tense. See, this is an example 4, and what had they done to help you? So this is an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So when we change, this is an active voice. When we change this into passive voice, apply the same question form as usual, and had has to be used as usual, and been, apply been over here, and done as a V3 form, and by them, they changes into them, and there's another object here mentioned as to help you. So very simple way, what had been done by them to help you. This is a passive voice structure. This is a fifth example here, and this is also a question, and the active voice. This here, apply the same had as usual. Had your promise been kept, okay, by you. So very simple to change in the passive voice. When you apply a simple rule, keep the structure over here and look after it and just apply over here. So it makes you an exact answer when we convert that from active to passive voice.